at this wall!
Look! The lights are on!
Mom, look at that big red building. It is so huge.
That is Tiananmen, the heart of Beijing.
Daddy, can we go inside?
Yes, sweetie. We will walk there together.
Look at this cool stone lion.
They are magical animals. They protect this ancient place.
Be gentle with it. It is very old. Drink some water. Are you tired?
No, I am full of energy.
The water is so shiny and beautiful.
Just be careful. Do not lean over too much.
Oh no! My red hat is flying away!
The wind is playing a game with him.
Here is your hat, little boy. Hold it tight.
Thank you so much, sir. You are very kind.
Thank you for helping my son. Let us take a family photo here. Stand together.
Are you ready, kids? Show your biggest smile.
I am ready. Cheese!
It smells so good in here. I am very hungry.
We will eat roast duck.
Is it a big duck?
Yes, it is the most famous local food. I will cut the duck for you.
Look at the shiny knife.
He is so fast.
He makes the meat into small, thin pieces.
Here are the warm, thin pancakes. We put meat and vegetables inside.
What is this black stuff?
That is sweet dark sauce.
I want to make a big one.
Take your time, sweetie.
Oh no, it is too full.
Be careful with the sauce.
You have sauce on your nose.
Where is the sauce?
Let me clean your funny face.
You look like a little cat. First, we put a little meat.
Then we add some vegetables.
Now, we roll it up.
That looks very easy.
Wow, the skin is so crispy.
It tastes very delicious.
I love this sweet flavor.
This is the true taste of Beijing. Cheers to our great dinner.
I love our Beijing trip.
We have so many wonderful memories together.
Can we come back tomorrow?
Wow, look at this wall.
It stretches across the beautiful green mountains.
This is the Great Wall. Mommy, how long is it?
It looks like a giant sleeping dragon.
It is very long, sweetheart. It was built many thousands of years ago.
I am a brave soldier. I can see the whole beautiful forest from here.
That is so cool, brother.
Ancient guards watched the mountains from these tall windows.
Hold my hand tight, kids. These ancient stone steps are a little bit steep.
We are climbing very high.
Step by step, we will reach the top together.
My little legs are tired. I need to take a rest on this big step.
Take a deep breath, sweetie.
You are doing such a great job climbing today.
The sky is so blue.
This historical place is more beautiful than my storybook.
I love the Great Wall.
We will always remember this amazing family trip together.
I am so happy today.
Climbing this ancient wall makes our family much stronger together.
We did it together, kids. Come on, my brave sister. The big cool tower is just up there now.
I will hold your hand. Let us climb the last few steps like big lions.
The wind up here feels so fresh and nice.
I feel like a bird.
You climbed all the way up like a true champion. Let us take a picture. Everyone stand close together and give me a big smile.
Say cheese with big smiles.
This is the best photograph of our amazing journey.
Wow, look at that stadium. All the big steel lines cross over each other.
It is so incredibly huge.
This famous place held the greatest sports games ever.
Why does it look round?
The steel branches protect the people inside like a nest.
It looks like a home.
Architects built this warm home for athletes from all countries.
Athletes ran really fast here.
They worked very hard to win the shiny gold medals.
I want to run too. Run too.
You can be a little champion on this big square.
Get ready for the race. I will run faster than a little cheetah today.
Ready, steady, and go now!
Oh, I tripped and fell. My favorite blue sports hat flew away in the wind.
Are you okay, my boy? It is just a little stumble on the smooth ground.
Look, the lights are on. The whole giant stadium is glowing with bright red color.
It is like magic fire.
The beautiful night view of Beijing is absolutely stunning tonight.
Let us make champion poses. Raise your hands high like you won the first place.
I am the winner today.
You both are the best gold medalists in my heart.
Sit on my strong shoulders. Now you can see the glowing stadium much better, sweetheart.
I am the tallest now.
Walking together under these lights feels so peaceful and perfect.
Beijing is a great city.
We saw the ancient wall and the modern stadium today.
I love our family trip. If you like our video, please click the like button. Yes!
Give us a big thumbs up.
And click subscribe.
To learn more English with us. And share with your friends as well.
See you in the next adventure.
Thank you! Bye-bye!